Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice math problem. 100 over 5 raised to power x is equal to 45. Can you solve this? If you have a very simpler method, please put your answer in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 100 over 5 raised to power x is equal to 45. Then let us cross multiply. This is 100 is equal to 5 raised to power s multiplied by 45. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by 45. This is 100 over 45 is equal to 5 raised to power s multiplied by 45 over 45. This cancel this. Then we have 100 over 45 is equal to 5 raised to power x. Then 5 here, 9. 5 here, 20. 5 raised to power x is equal to 20 over 9. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 5 raised to power s is equal to log 20 over 9. Now take note of this, that if you have log x raised to power y, this is equal to y log x. This is x log 5 is equal to log 20 over 9. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by log 5. This divided by log 5 and this divided by log 5. This log 5 cancel log 5. S is equal to log 20 over 9 all over log 5. If you have log A over B, this is equal to log A minus log B. S is equal to log 20 minus log 9 over log 5. S is equal to, let us split this, log 20 over log 5 minus log 9 over log 5. 20 is equal to 5 multiplied by 4. Then 9 is equal to 3 square. We have x is equal to log 5 multiplied by 4 over log 5 minus log 3 square over log 5. Then if you have log A multiplied by B, this is equal to log A plus log B. S is equal to log 5 over log 5 plus log 4 over log 5 minus log 3 square over log 5. This log 5 cancel this log 5. S is equal to 1 plus, this is log 2 square over log 5 minus log 3 square over log 5. Then if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 over log 5 minus 2 log 3 over log 5. S is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 minus 2 log 3 base 5. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 100 over 5 raised to power x is equal to 45. This is 100 over 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 minus 2 log 3 base 5 must be equal to 45. Then this is 100 over 5 raised to power 1 plus log 4 base 5 minus log 9 base 5 must be equal to 45. Then this is the same thing as 100 over, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. So 5 raised to power 1 will be 5, then multiply by the whole of this is 4, then divided by the whole of this is 9, must be equal to 45. This is 100 over 5 multiplied by 4 times 9 must be equal to 45. Then this is 100 multiplied by 9 over 20 must be equal to 45. 20 here 1, 20 here 5. Then we have 5 multiplied by 9 must be equal to 45. 5 multiplied by 9, this is 45, is equal to 45, which is true. We may solve this using calculator or using another method, which is the method of natural logarithm. Then let's call this second method, method 2. We have the given equation 100 over 5 raised to power s is equal to 45. This is the same thing as 5 raised to power s is equal to 20 over 9. Let us take the natural log. We have ln of 5 raised to power s is equal to ln of 20 over 9. This is s ln of 5 is equal to ln of 20 minus ln of 9. This is same thing as s ln of 5 is equal to ln of 20 can be written as ln of 5 plus ln of 4, then minus ln of 9. Let us divide the whole of this equation by ln of 5. This divided by ln of 5 and this divided by ln of 5. This ln of 5 cancel this ln of 5. S is equal to here ln of 5 over ln of 5 plus ln of 4 can be written as ln of 2 square over ln of 5 minus ln of 9 can be written as ln of 3 square over ln of 5. This ln of 5 cancel this ln of 5. S is equal to 1 plus 2 ln of 2 over ln of 5 minus 2 ln of 3 over ln of 5. This is the answer in terms of natural logarithm. Now let's assume you want to use your calculator. From log 5 raised to power s is equal to log 20 over 9. Then s is equal to log 20 over 9 over log 5. Now this is same thing as s is equal to log 20 over 9 is log 2.2222 over log 5. Then s is equal to now log 2.2222 divided by log 5. That is 0.4961. This is the value of s if you want to use your calculator, and of course you can solve this in less than 30 seconds. Then let's check to confirm. We have 100 over 5 raised to power s is equal to 45. This is same thing as 100 over 5 raised to power 0.4961 must be equal to 45. And this is 100 over 5 raised to power 0.4961, that is 2.222 must be equal to 45. And of course, if you divide 100 by 2.222, this will give you 45.00 is equal to 45, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.